Let me ask you a question. Have you used Google before? Do you know what Google is and that it's a great way to make money online? In this video, I will show you how to make $220 quickly over and over again. All you have to do is go to this brand new website and use this brand new Google trick that I will show you in this video, so you can make hundreds and hundreds of dollars every single day if you follow these steps and use them. Now, I know that some of you are here from all over the world. Don't worry, this opportunity works all over the world. You can get paid in many different ways. They cover bank transfers, PayPal, Payoneer, Paytm and Skrill. Stay tuned and watch this video until the end because I will show you how to get free bonus money when you sign up, and this is a brand new website that I have never seen anyone talk about before. I will also show you how to set up Google in the best way possible. You can make 3 times as much money as other people if you use this strategy. So don't miss out on this special trick that I will show you in this video. But before we start, let me say hello and welcome to Digital Nomad, where we teach you the easiest way to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get notified when we post a new video on how to make money online. This way you will know about it and can get to work. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't be afraid to leave a comment below if you have any concerns, questions and thoughts about it. Let's go back to watching this video. Shrinkme.io is a website where you can shorten your link and get around like $220 for getting 10,000 views. If you want to make sure that this website is real and legit, you can open this payment option and look at it. You can see and this payment proof tab on the website's upper right side, where you go, you can see all the payments they make to their users in the real time. You can see that they make all their payments on time and they also use different ways to pay. You can also see in real time how much they have paid their users. On this website, you only need to take 3 easy steps to start making money. Now the first step is to make an account and sign up for it. Next, you need to start shortening your links and sharing them with other people. I will show you how to do this later in this video. The last and final step is to make money. There is one problem. You need to pay close attention to this video because it will only work if you do it right, which I will show you now. If you want to sign up for a free account, just move your mouse to the top right corner and you will see this button that says register. Just click on this link and you will take it to the page where you can sign up for a new membership. When you sign up for a free account, you get $1 free right away. This is the bonus for the sign up, and once you make $5, you can start getting your money. I will show you how to use my Google trick method to make money right way and starting today. This is exactly why I love this website. You can use the same method to make money on other websites, but they only pay out maybe every 2 weeks or the 4 weeks or whatever. This website will pay you every day and there are many ways to get paid. Now if you guys are from different countries around the world, you can get paid on this website, which has a minimum payment of just $5. After you make $5, it gets very easy. You can start taking money out of your account in any way you want. So let's look at how it works. On this website, we are going to find a specific video on YouTube and get a link to it. Then we'll go back to this website, copy and paste the link here. We are going to cut this link into half, which is like shortened. Once you have shortened this link, you can share it on the different websites and make money every time someone clicks on it. Now I'll show you the different ways you'll get paid. If the people in Greenland click on your link, each time your video gets 1,000 views, you'll get $22. If the people from US click on your link, you will get $10. Now people from all over the world will click on your link and you will get different kinds of money. You want to use the Google trick because if people from Greenland click on your link, the most money you can make is per 1,000 views, $22. So in this video, I will show you how to find the best videos on YouTube, since you won't make money if you find a bad video. We will show you how to find the best video and then we will use this site to shorten the link. Once we have shortened the link, we will use the special trick on Google to multiply your money and make a lot of money with this method. I can't wait to show you everything. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Let's go back to watching the video and we'll move on to the YouTube now. The most popular videos I have ever seen are, it's all about losing your weight. So many people want to know how to lose the weight. So weight loss videos will be the best. So when you go to the YouTube, you will type weight loss videos, click this filter and then click this week. Now we are going to find the best performing video this week because they are brand new fresh content and they are going to find a most viewed video. Take this one as an example. The next thing is you should click on this video, get the link of this video and go to stringme.io and stick the link. I'm going to put the link here on this tab. So where to get a lot of free traffic to this link? We see based on the study, forums are the great place to get more clicks. This is the best place to share the link. Because people who want to lose weight usually hang out and find different forums to join different discussions and find different weight loss tips. So what you will do is join one of these forums. This is one of the examples I want to show you. You can find hundreds of different forums by using Google. But again, make sure you watch until the end of this video because I will show you best way to get people from Greenland to click on your link. As you can see, if you get people from Sweden, you only make $5, but if you can get people from Greenland, you'll make 4 times as much. This is a madness, right? In just a moment, I will show you how to do this. Let's go back to the forum to see what I mean. When you go to the forum, you can usually just sign up and register for free. For example, in this forum, you can click onto the register button, then fill out your information. I think it would be best if you don't use your real name, because just sign up accounts, make multiple accounts, then same thing over and over again with the different places. The more forums you find, the more links you share and the more people will click on your link. But again, this method has a big problem. When you use it, people from different countries can click on your link, but how can we narrow down our search and find only Greenlanders? So that way we can make more money. We need more people from Ireland and United States. This is a secret trick I want to show you. When you go to the Google search, then click on the settings, you will find the advanced search there. After you click on that, you will see this area right here. For example, if you do that as a Greenland, you can find a lot of forums that are just for Greenland, and then you just do the same thing again and again for different countries. This is that easy. But unfortunately, Greenland doesn't have a lot of places where people can talk. So the second thing you can do it is go to Ireland or like change it to United States and do this over and over again. You can find videos about losing weight on YouTube. Then again, this is completely legal and you won't get trouble for it as long as you don't repost or re-upload others' videos. For instance, you can share the videos to other people. This is one of the way to use Google trick because you can get very focused, specialized in one area to make more money this rate right here. But again, you can share this link in a lot of different ways. You can share this link on YouTube. For example, you can do it on the YouTube comments, or you can do it on Facebook or one of the other social media sites you use. The more people who click on your link, the more money you will make. So this is how all these people from all over the world are making money. This is something that people do every single day. Thank you very much. See you guys in the next video.